Hi guys, welcome in. Welcome back to the Clarion Capricorn. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are really having a fantastic week. So today we are going to be doing like a collective reading. Basically, it's called collective because I really have named this title as "Do they want to fix this? Can we fix this?" All right. So let's see if this person really wants to fix this. Really, if there's something which this person really wants to tell you, this person really wants to they want to take some kind of action, or maybe they really want to tell you what they exactly feel. So I feel that I got this very intuitively that this person really wants to fix it, but at the same time I got that they have a few conditions, or they have a few um, thoughts about it. All right, so they really want to fix it. Let's see whether they really want to take action on fixing it, or are they just wanting to fix it when when they're ready, or something like that. All right, so we're going to be looking at their feelings, and I'll also be looking at why is this person exactly wanting to fix this. All right, this is basically a collective reading, guys. If you guys are interested in a private reading, you can email me at rao.45 guys are interested. $25 for 24 hours and 3 questions is on the board. Let's dig in, and everything is given in the description box right below after this video. All right, one, two, one more shuffle, please. One more shuffle. All right, let's see. What does this person really feel about you? What are they exactly feeling right now? What is this person exactly feeling right now? The Judgment. This is major arcana for Libra. Oh, the King of Cups. Look at that. This person is really in love with you. I feel like this person really wants to it's like what they want to fix is that they really want to not just love you, but they really want to fix the connection with love and efforts. All right, I'm getting that very strongly. This person really wants to put in the efforts. They really feel that uh this situation here is worth it. Okay, this person really feels that the situation is worth it. They feel that maybe I was really getting that this person might be very lazy in the past. Yeah, the King of Wands in the reverse. Yeah, so this person was really they had very low esteem. All right, they're very low esteem, and the Justice in the reverse, and the High Priestess. So I feel like this person is really they feel that they had a lot of love, but they could not open up to you. All right, I'm getting that very strong. This person was not able to open up. They're not able to extract. I feel like you're really not able to be vulnerable with this person. You're not really vulnerable with this person. All right, what else? Can we fix this? Oh yeah, we can. So I feel like this person is definitely coming in with the intention of fixing this. All right, this person might not be, yeah, the Death in the reverse and the King of Swords. So this person doesn't want things to end. This is Scorpio season here. They don't want things to end. At the same time, they feel that they have not been able to take action in the right possible way, and that possible way is basically um, not in a way where things can get fixed, or things can get emotionally fixed. I'm getting that this person was not very emotionally good, or maybe this person was not emotionally upfront, or maybe they were not emotionally open. This person can be definitely somebody who's emotionally unavailable. I'm getting the High Priestess card here again popping out, so I yeah, so I feel like this person is really looking at the situation as maybe a person has actually found out what is going on. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's like this person never told you on purpose that they really wanted to um, have this connection with you, or have the second chance with you. All right. I feel like this person really wants to put in the efforts, and they are. Okay. But I feel like in the past that was not the case. That was not the case. So yeah, let's see. What's this person's intentions? Yeah, Six of Cups. Somebody from the past, can be somebody from the past. And we also have, yeah, the Strength card and the Seven of Pentacles. I think that this person has always been waiting on you, or you have been waiting on them. All right. I feel like this person is really like into you. Okay. But at the same time, they've always resisted this connection because they always felt that maybe I'm not good enough with the King of Wands. And they always felt that they were not good enough. Okay. They always felt that, but I feel that I don't feel that the confidence has changed even now. But love is always going to win. I'm getting like love will find the way. Love is always going to win. Love is always going to find the way. All right. I'm better in my mind than my heart. No one understands me but you. I can't promise you anything. I cry at night. So I feel that there has already been a missed opportunity between the two of you with the judgment here, and we have I wish I could be fully honest with you in the reverse, which clearly tells me that this person really wants to be honest. Okay, they really want to be honest. They really want to be loyal to you. I feel like you're somebody who can give them direction. You're somebody who can give them logic. You can also give them somebody who can really connect. It's like because of you they've been able to connect with their inner conscience, inner self. All right. So I feel like you guys have this potential for being together, loving, like it's like you always have been wanting to be together. You guys have always been wanting to be together. So really, does this person really want to fix this? Shallow. Withdrawn. We have rejection. So I feel that this person doesn't want to get rejected. At the same time, they know that they're gonna get rejected. They feel you're too good for them. They feel that you're not as confident as them. They feel that you're not somebody who would want to be with them. They feel that, I'll tell you something, this person is not giving up on the connection. They want to fix it, but they feel that you're definitely going to see them as somebody who is lower confident. It's like they feel that you're going to see them as who they were in the past. Okay. It's like you see them as somebody who is like the King of Wands in the reverse, somebody who is not loyal, someone who is not charismatic. Yeah, the family card is here. Okay, what else? We have the intimacy, and we also have the breaking point, and we have the pride. Yeah. So I feel like I feel like you really have reached this point where you have considered everything. You have considered logic. You have considered emotions. You have considered loyalty. You have considered intimacy. You have considered emotional well-being. All right. You have considered everything. And when you give kind of like a giving up is something which is making me feel that you've reached your breaking point. You reached a breaking point. All right. So it's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's just that this person has made you feel. Okay. Has this person gaslighted? Yeah, no. I feel like with the healing card is here, I feel like this person has not intentionally hurt you. I don't feel that this person's intentions is to hurt you, but I feel like you have reached a point where you really want to not get hurt by anything or anybody. Okay. So I feel like you're kind of like deciding to not walk away, but I feel like you're deciding to choose yourself. So will this person be? Let's see the outcome. Will this person really be? I mean, successful in fixing this. Let's see. Will this person be successful in fixing this? Will this person be flexible in fixing this? Will this person be able to fix this, or do they have the clarity to fix it? Oh yeah, the Sun card, and we have the Five of Cups, and we have the Two of Wands, and we have the World card, And we have the Two of Cups. So I feel that this person will definitely take a leap of faith. I feel that this person is uh, definitely good because of this person's disappointment in the situation. That's what is making this person take a leap of faith between the two of you. I feel that that's one this person is realizing that wherever I go, whatever I do, I'll always come back to you. Okay, so I feel that with the Two of Wands and the Two of Cups, I feel that it will, like, I'm kind of giving you the timeline for, it's like 2 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, and also 26 days is something which I'm getting very strongly. So you might be dealing with like a water sign, you might be dealing with a Pisces, you might be dealing with a Cancer. We also have Pisces, strong Pisces, we have strong Leo, and we also have strong Libra, and we also have water, and we also have fire. All right, that is for you, my beautiful people. I hope that resonated. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe. If you guys are interested in booking a private reading, you can email me at drawpodumba45@gmail.com. If you guys are interested, please do share, like, and subscribe. $25 for 24 hours and 3 questions on the board. And if you guys are interested in booking sexual readings and intimate readings, that is also, they're going to be there in the description box right below. If you guys are ready to book a reading, you can email me at rawpodumba45@gmail.com. All right. Nevertheless, thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Bye.